This is Music City Trader. Today we're going to be doing some live binary options trading right here, right now. It's Saturday. It's Labor Day weekend, I believe. Man, I've been getting my butt kicked a little bit just over emotions. And so I'm going to try to just have a little short session today, try to make a little bit of profit, and I'm going to call it a day. Before we get into it, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to join the inner circle or anything, we have some free stuff over there. Go to musiccitytrader.com. But let's get right into some math and let's try to hack this for some profit. All right, so we're going to September 2nd, and we're going to look over here because I've been getting pretty emotional, and that's for Christmas. I'm looking towards Christmas. Right here, I'm looking at this account, and I'm going to say, I think I'm needing to get up. I'm going to make something simple today. I have to kind of change the way I'm working. I'm at 1440, and I'm going to try to go up I can't decide if I'm going to go up 4 or up 5 or down 4 so I'm going to make a decision right now. We have to start this. I'm going to go up 2 or down 4, okay? And I'm going to go back to $3 trades because I was doing really good with $3 trades. I'm going to go 3, so 3, 6, 12, and then 16 if I want. Okay, so I'm going to risk $50, and that's going to be my down, so I have 4% down. I'm thinking about going up 4, down 4. This will be a little bit of an easier way to do this because I can go up 4, I can go up 2 or 4. So if I get up 2, then I'm at 1465. So I'm writing down my up stop, and then if I get up to 4, 1465. Oh, 1465 is my 4%. 1460. Oh, wow, major upstop. Okay, 4 risk goal, growth up 2. Let's see, what is this? There's a little bit of a difference here. Okay. Your daily growth is 2%. Okay. And so I'm trying to say 1389 is my stop loss, 1389. So that's if I go down 4%. Okay. If I get up, say 2%, 1465. Is that right? I'm going to check the math. To me, I'm just trying to get the math right before I get in here. I need 1440 plus, let's say if we get 25.22, yeah, it'd be 1465 would be my 2% goal. Okay. Now my 4% goal, let's say I get up 4%. Let's say 013. Yeah, I think what I need to do is 4. So this would be 15. I'm going to change this to 15. So it'd be 1490. So that's if I get up 4%. So it'd be 1490. And I'm going to have to slow down because I'm stacking up trades. I'm doing some real stupid math basically. So, don't mind me doing stupid math. 1440. So if I get up 2%, my goal up would be 1465. 1440 times 1.02. 1440 times 1.02. 1468. Yeah, see, I'm not sure why. 1440, 2%, 12. 2% of that. 2% is growth, so S3 times, times 012. S3 times 012. Oh, okay, 2%. Yeah. Well, I mean, it says it is. It says it's 2%. And it would give me 1465.22. Yeah. 1440 is what I have times 1.02. It's weird because my math seems a little off. It's just a few dollars, so I'm not going to worry about it. And then if I get up by 1440 plus 50, which is I think that's a pretty good ratio because you're saying that you can go up 25, but you can go down 50. I mean, that's fairly good ratio. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with that ratio moving forward from here. I'm on day 125 or something like that. But like I said, I've just been kind of getting my butt wasted because of picking the wrong direction, and then maybe not waiting for. I don't know. There's a couple different things that I've kind of done that have kind of caused me a problem. So this went down, went way up. I think it's gonna go down. So I'm gonna do next candle color. Like Todd would love me to do next candle color, especially if this breaks through. We're just gonna go for it. All right. So I'm gonna put the $3 here. In this session, I'm going to really, really, really try not to use the double up feature. I really wish they would have never added the double up feature. I think the double up feature is really, really, really hard. This is going to cut back, and I'm going to try to win before I take my next trade. There, I've won in 3 seconds. I'm going to take the 6. So the 3 is a win. The 6, it's a pretty good downtrend. I mean, if it breaks back up, and then I think maybe I'll just go for the 12. I'm going to have to be very careful in my approach. We got 9 seconds left and 15 on this candle, so I'm in the clear to take this next trade if I want to. Yeah, I'm going to take it now, and then that 6 is a win. So this is good. The other day, I had no flow in movement. No flow. I had no flow like this. So this will be, if this wins, this will be great, because if this wins, I mean, look at this. This is just a perfect downtrend, and it's just pushing. Okay, 1459. So I'm going to go back to 3, and I'm just going to continue to take this downtrend, and we'll see. That was the next candle color. So if this goes red here, we'll be good. Got a little bit of a yak position on it, but this was win, and this was 1459. 1459, almost my 2%. I think what I need to do is really just go for that 2%, and then not, I'm going to take another one up here for 1 minute, because I mean, I'm going to assume this is just a turnaround. That wasn't an engulfing candle though, so 3 is a loss. And we started at 1440. We're trying to be super safe here. If I win this 3, then I may just take that 3 as a single trade. In other words, I might not take the next trade, and I'm not going to stack. And that was a minute. I really don't like doing minutes, because it runs. It kind of messes up my vibe. 30 seconds would have been better. It messes up my feeling. Let's see here. So I'm going to take this 3 here, just like it's going to go down. So 30 seconds 3. This was a 3 minute. Let's see if this is going to shoot up and lose. I hope it doesn't lose. Yeah, it's going to lose. Okay, so that one's a loss. That was a loss. And good thing I took another 3. Let's see what happens. I think it's going to kind of consolidate, but it does look like it's sort of wanting to push back up. So I'm going to look at the 3 minute just for my own. Yeah, this could be a pullback. And Todd would be like, "What are you doing? It's an uptrend. It's an uptrend." Okay, so I'm still up $10 from where I started. So what should I do here? Should I think this is really going up, or I mean, it does kind of look like this is going up. That's going up. I don't know if it's going up to the white line. Let's pretend that it is. Because what I kind of wanted to do is find little step ups. And I thought about that yesterday. I thought, what I'm good at is finding step ups. Just like this one. you know. And if this is one more candle up, then we'll take it. If it's going to step up, then we'll take that and we'll take this. And I think if I win this one, I'm going to call this a series win, and I'm not going to take another one. So we're going to win the 3. Might lose the 6. Yeah. I'm not going to double up. I'm not going to double up because I'm going to follow my own rule. But I am going to take a trade there on the bottom. 1440. We're only $4 above where we started now. So see, I think that's why I get frustrated in this sort of scenario is yeah, no, I think this could relieve and go back down. But I mean, this is a 1 minute candle. I don't know. I mean, to me, it looks like it's going to be going to the white line from here, you know? So if it shows me a little wick, then I'm going to go ahead and take the wick on 30 seconds. This is a 30 seconds. I'm going to get back into 30 seconds here. So I'm going to win that 3. It looks like I won that 3 already. And then I might have to lengthen my trades because this is kind of bouncy. See, it's created this little, I'm not sure, to me, I just go with sort of a step up, but it's kind of created this little movement up. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and take a 1 minute here too. Let's let it go down a little bit. There we go. I'm going to take my 12 there because I think if this is going to go up, it's probably just a little pullback. And then, you know, it kind of keeps going. So that's not a terrible position. It's not like the greatest position I've ever taken, but it is a minute. So I feel like it gives it a little bit of time to do its little little pullback. And then I don't know, lines can kind of deceive me, honestly. They kind of get, to me, they get a little deceptive. So 30 seconds now. Let's see. I'm not going to take any more positions on this. I think one thing that I've been doing is making up an idea of where I think it's going. And then I start pushing in that direction. And then when it doesn't go, I've stacked trades up and I've lost a lot of trades. So that's definitely something that I've done. Let's see, 2. So that's going to be a loss on that third win. Okay. Back down to about where I started. Let's go 30 seconds. And let's see. Do I think it's going to, you know, go all the way back down? It's a long candle down. My puppy wants out. He hears everybody like, oh my gosh, what's going on? So I've been sitting here for I've been sitting in the live stream for 13 minutes and I'm back to where I started because of my math. But I do have a pretty safe method if I don't actually start doubling up and tripling up and doing all this stuff, then I have a pretty safe method. Yeah. I'd yell at my son to close the door. Yeah, see, this is going nowhere. This went down, and now it just doesn't know where it wants to go. And I don't like it. I think what I need to do is kind of quit losing so many trades on charts that are like that. Like this one, I think is going up from here. It kind of went up, went down, and now I think it's going to go up. I'm just going to get in on this one because if I look at the overall picture of this, there's 2 things it can do right here at this moment. It can push up through here and start going and make a turn, or it can go back down. So sometimes I'm just going to have to pick a direction, but I think this is an actual decent this is an actual decent thing. So okay, so it popped up here, could win this one. It's sitting at this thing. I think it's going up. So I'm going to take a 1 minute because I think so I'm going to win this one. And then let's see if we go back to 30 seconds. If we know we're going to win that 6, if we can get that 6 to win, it might run up there and touch. Yeah, it's going to go up there and it's going to jump up and touch at this line right here. So I think I'm going to take a 1 minute turnaround on this 12. Once it touches, I want it to jump up and touch. I want it to touch that line. If it gets some guts and jumps up and touches that line, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take the turnaround here. It needs to be touching though. I feel like it hasn't. That's the other thing I did the other day. I just jumped conclusions. Again, this would have been a win at 30 seconds. I guess with the RSI touch, it's like now it's kind of stuck there and it might want to turn around. But I think what's going to happen is it's going to go back up. I think it's going to go back up. And if it touches here, if it actually touches that, yeah, I think it's going to go back down. I'm taking my 12 here because that's probably right there is a jump. This could lose because I jumped the gun. I'm waiting for this to touch right here. It's going to touch right here. Right here, it's going to touch. Right here, it's going to touch. And it did touch right there. I would have had a great position. If it breaks through there, right there it touches. Let's take another one just so we can. I'm not going to stack trades on a position, but I think this is where I should have taken my 12. So just for my own. And then this one, I'm going to take 30 seconds because if this is actually going to go down, we're going to wait till that wins, or it looks like it's going to win. If the 12 wins, I'll take the next 6, or the 6 here. Yeah, see, that was a perfect pullback. Actually, I might just wait and see where I'm at. So if I win that 12 and that 3, then if I win this 6, yeah, there we go. Let's see if this pulls down. Could win this 3, the 12, and then the 6 is kind of stacked up. The 3 is probably going to win. Let's see, we got 10 seconds on the 6. That was a shorter 6. So the 3 is going to win and the 6 is going to, come on, 3 is going to win and the 6 is going to lose. So that's okay, but the 12 won. So the 3 won and the 6 lost. And then I'm sitting at 14.59. Okay. That's actually good. Okay, now we're breaking above this line, and I'm going to take this as a 3. We're going to start over. It kind of broke above. This is a line. It's a pretty strong line right here. I'm going to turn this black. Let's turn this line. The green. That's not my favorite color. Green. It just sort of gets in the way of my. So there's 3, and then if 3 wins and it actually looks like it's going to go, then I'm going to take the 6. But I have to win. Oh man, 3 is going to lose. All right, we're going to take another 3 up. 3 is going to lose. And then here's the thing. I don't think I'm going to take any more on this chart because now it's sort of at this point where it's struggling. It's really struggling. And if I wanted to take a really good trade, I'd wait till it hit this top line. What?
I need to log into Epic Games.
Hold on 1 second. All right, that's that 3 is going to be a loss. Yeah. That was a longer 3. I'm going to get off this one. Because now I'm not... Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get up there. Get up there. Yeah. If it does consolidate here, if it does go down, we're gonna get it down. Okay, now we're gonna go 30. Let's say take this to the white line. The next candle, I'm gonna stack. I'm gonna stack the next candle. I'm gonna wait till that 3 looks like it wins, or this next candle's 8. Hopefully it comes back up. Is this next candle gonna be? Man, it's really getting down there. It's really getting down there. That's way far too down. That's way too far down. But that 3 looks like it'll win. And it's going to bounce off that line. Let's say it goes back up. Let's say it goes back up. So 3 is going to be a win. 6 is going to be... That's a 1 minute? Okay, so that's decent. I've been feeling better about the 1 minute trades because it gives me a chance. And I think I'm going to put a 30-second 12 in here too. If that 1 minute 3 looks good, if it doesn't just start consolidating right here, like if it starts shooting up here, let's see if it shoots above here. Oh, there, look at that. Okay, my gut feeling is just to double it up or try to save it, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to take a 30-second on the 3, so this is going to be a loss. What I'm doing now looks a little bit weird because I was trading by doubling up and doubling in and tripling and adding trades in, and what it was doing is I was losing a lot of my ground. You know, I think with my trading strategy, what I need to do is just accept these little losses, because that's the point. My wins will be big, and then my losses will be small. If I start stacking up trades, now this looks like it's going to go down, so I'm just gonna take this down. Well, now it looks like it's going up, but you know, it could go down from here, so I'm just gonna keep on this. So if it does find that's just a little pullback. My $3 trade might win. If I can get below this line right here, which was a little contentious, and not if it keeps going from here, I think we're good. I might be able to get my next couple wins. It's going to bounce off that line. Yeah, see there it's going to go. We'll just take it like it's going to go for it. It blew through that line, and now it's going to this line right here. I got to wait to see if it's going to retract. It looks like it might want to retract, but I'm going to go ahead and take my 12 because I'm definitely in the money. 5 to 10 seconds. 3 and 6, win. 6 and win. And if it doesn't do this little hiccup with the 12, then I hope what I get is like a little push, like boom, in the other direction. In the other direction. That's the wrong direction. Let's see. I'm not going to look at different charts. All right, so now I'm just going to go up on this. This is how I kind of traded before. I just sort of took the hills and valleys and just sort of took the bounce points. This is probably a bounce point. And so if I can win 3 in a row right here on this bounce up, it'll be good. If this chart is going to start to do all this little weird, you know, this looks like it could go back down from here. I mean, totally. But I'm gonna take next candle color on 6, and then that was a 5. And then I'm gonna take next candle color on the next one. I'm gonna get it to go straight up through there. I'm gonna say if this is green, and then right on the next candle, I'm gonna go ahead and take the 12. If this wins, come on, baby. It does look like it's farting around. Oh, man, that lost. That made me so mad. I'm going to take it up anyway. It's like, it's mostly, now I'm just playing time. I do think it's going to go up from here in terms of its thing. I guess I psyched myself out, and it's like, it went way down, then it pushed way back up. And is it really going down? You can't really tell because of the way this is. And this is just time. Just going to keep pushing this and see what happens. But now I'm kind of getting down from where I started. What I really need to do is find a turnaround and take it. Because this is, to me, this could be going down to This is probably going, what am I thinking? This is going down where it was. This is probably going to go down here. It went down, it bounced, and I think this is going to go down to that line. That's what I think now. In fact, I'm almost pretty sure this is going to do it. As long as I get 5 to 10 seconds, if it looks like this is going to win, I'm going to take the 6 and the 12 down on this. Yeah, it's going to fart around. It's going to say, "Oh, I don't want to win. I don't want to win." Okay, now it's going to go, and then it's going to be 12 on this next one. Now, if it takes too long, then it takes too long, and I lose. But I'm being a lot safer here. I only have, yeah, I think it's going to do it. And I'm going to put this as a 1. All right, so that's a loss. The 6 is a loss for sure. All right, I'm going to take the 3, the 6, and the 12 on this. I'm just going to take them as 1-minute trades. Yeah, because I think it's going down there. I'll take that as a 1 minute. Now I'm stacking. So now I'm stacking. So now who knows what will happen if this bounces up again. But if it does what I think it's going to do, then I'll be okay. But now I've put myself in considerable danger right here because I'm sort of at the bottom. Now, is this really the bottom? I need to win the 6 before I take the 12. But I think what's going to happen is, let's see, the 3 is going to win. Okay. The 6 is going to be a little bit further behind it. And it's just sort of bouncing. And if I can win the 6, so the 3 won. So that's good. There we go. There. Now we're going to take this down on the 12. So if that bounces up, then we screwed. But if it does what I think it's going to do, which it finally pushes down to the line, that was a pretty low position. But what I thought was going to happen is that, but it's sitting right here. Okay, yes, it is a line right there. But it's also, if I look back, it's also a line right here, right down here. And I think that it wants to push through there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a 2-minute trade from here. I'm going to take a $12 trade from there. Let's see. That was a win. The 6 and the 12 was a loss. So now I've taken a $12 3-minute, which is really pretty much where I need to stop. I need to quit this. This right here is outside of the method. It's not really fair to say it like that, like it's outside the method, because I'm within my stop loss. See, it did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Okay, so now I'm going to take this. It did exactly what I think it's going to do. I'm going to take this down because I think when it blows through this, it's going to blow through this. Maybe I could have taken a 1-minute trade here. It's going to touch this. It's going to blow through there. It's going to take that. It's going to blow through there. And then, maybe that 3 is going to blow through one more time. I want to be careful here. I'm going to leave these to win before I take my 12. Because 12 is kind of a bigger trade in my plan. Okay. So the 3 won. The 6 won. The 6 is going to win, maybe. It's got 10 seconds left, so let's see if this doesn't green up. Okay, it greens up. I'm going to take the 12 there. I have the ability to take the 12 because I won the 3 and the 6. And that's how it's done. If this wins, if this can just win, this is how it's done. It's patience. I'm losing patience a lot of times because I'm losing my 3rd trade. And so maybe I need to go to 2 trades. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. So, okay, that's going to be a win. It's put me at 1432. The payout went down. The payout on this chart was down, and I think that's because it gets... 21. Okay, so we're going to be at 14 like 50 something. Let's see. 14.53. Okay. $13 above where we started. Yeah. We're going to take this one down like it's going to be a turnaround. See, it went down, then went up, broke through. Let's see if we can, if it consolidates, then obviously we'll lose that. But it could. Oh, jeez. Yeah. So I'm not gonna break anything here. This looks like it could go and break through. Well, let's just let's go ahead and take it up because I think it's showing a lot of force up. If I can trade like this and be a lot more if I can be a lot more relaxed in my trading, because I get to this point where I get upset and then I just sort of, there is a bottom here that it's going to. Yeah, let's see if we can go there. If it can push through that bottom, then we're good. This is scary because these are kind of big. They've got some low wicks on them. But still, the good part about this, when I'm in my zone, when I'm doing the right thing, this looks like it could win, so I'm going to put my 12 in and get ready. It's hard. I'm going to have to go back up to 3. Oh, come on, baby. Yeah, yes, baby. Oh, it lost at the last second. So it looks like it might turn around here, but it's looked like that before. So I'm going to pretend that this is going to consolidate and push through the top line. That's my little dream world, because it could actually, it went up a long way. It could flip around and go back down. I've gotten myself to where I kind of psych myself out, like things are going to go a certain way. I'm gonna lengthen this. I mean, this does look like a hook down. I don't know. I'm just not going to do this one. Because this does look like it could go down to right here, and it had some down. So let's just go for it. I should have got a better position. I kind of thought about it, and then I thought, I'll just do it. Let's see, this right here, 14.41. I'm still not really getting in the profit here, and I think I might have to raise my starting trade. But then again, I've had quite a few losses. Yeah, see, I'm starting not to read this chart right. Let's see if this goes down. 7.6. If this is actually just a pullback on a down, push to the white line, then I could win 3 trades right here. If not, then I'm just gonna get off this chart because I'm gonna realize I can't read this. It's kind of sitting at the bottom. It's kind of hurt. It's kind of hurt itself right here. It's kind of stopped right there. This could win. Again, another really, really, really little, like barely lost trade. Yeah, let's say that this one's going down. I know that my trading strategy seems a little weird. I'm trying to find places in the chart where I really think it is going to make its break. And I can get on next candle color, I guess, with Todd. We got 3 reds, 2 greens, 2. We might get another red out of this one. It's at 85%. I don't really want to trade at 85%. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. There we go. That was good. That was a win. That was a win. And then we're going to go 6. I can see myself getting frustrated, so I'm probably just going to stop today. I feel myself getting frustrated. So maybe I'll just go look for a longer climb up. Yeah, let's try this one. I'm going to try a few more. It doesn't really hurt. I've got chances, you know. How many chances was it? 50 divided by 3. I mean, I've got a lot of chances. If I have $50 and I am only taking $3, that's 16 chances. But every time I win, then I get like I get another chance. I get like 5 or 6 or 7 more chances. You know, whenever I win. This doesn't look like a really smooth chart though. It has lines. It hit that line. And it's going to go back down. I'm going to think that it's going to go back up there. I'm going to try to find some good positions here. I'm going to go ahead and stack a few if I have to. It hit that line and it's kind of violently busting off that line. Okay, so I won the 3. And it doesn't, I don't know if it wants to go up there or not. It sort of doesn't want to. 30 seconds. This last trade, to me, I think it needs to be, the 12 needs to be down here. If I'm gonna win this and gonna put myself in a $12 trade, then I want to put the position down here. Or I want to take a 30-second right when it breaks through. See, because it's fighting and it could just reject itself any minute. There, it got in, break out of that. Do I think it's going to break over one more? It's kind of high. No, I think it's going to. It's I actually think it's going to break down from here because of this line right here. Call me crazy, but I think that's what it's going to do. It hit this line. I know it's been kind of pushing high, but I think it's going to lose steam because it's right there. It's right at this line. 10 seconds, and it's so far I was right and wrong. I mean, it's just bouncing all over the place. Let's see if I can win this one. Then, oh yeah, so I was right. I found a little spot where I thought it was going to do that, and I was right. I'm going to take the next candle down, because if it really did bounce off that far, I'm gonna look for 3 candles that broke right there. I'm going to take that one too. And then I'm going to try to get one more if this works. If it's going to break through this bottom line, then I'm going to take my last trade at 12 seconds. Yeah, see if it's going to break through this line. It's kind of been breaking. Yeah, that was low, but I did 1 minute, so I think what's going to happen is, yeah, it broke all that. So 3, 6, 12. All right, so after today's session, after being a little bit frustrated with the third win always losing, which, you know, this was actually pretty good, like a little bit of, well, I'm going to wait till I win. This looks like a good analysis for me because it climbed up in this big channel and then it sort of broke down, and that's when I took my opportunity. And I knew I'm going to take it when it does that. Come on. No, come on. This is what I wanted to be today. Come on, baby. I lost that just by a hair. So that's frustrating. It's really frustrating. I'm back in. Is it going to break this? That's why there's two schools of thought. I have one school of thought that says one school of thought is like, I'm gonna go to forex because I'm doing my analysis pretty strong, and then I just lose by like a second, like a lot lately. It's just like one little second and I've lost. And I mean, that trade was in the money and it was fine. And, you know, and it just, yeah, my positions sometimes, but that was a great position. That was a great position. It wasn't a bad position. It was a good position. It had all the right things in it. So lost that 14, what was that 14, what was that, 1450? I was at 14 something, 55 or something like that. Okay. I'm back to where I started, and I'm in a consolidation. I'm literally in a consolidation right now. Just a mess of consolidation. So unless this decides to go up or down, I don't really know which way it's going. I think I'm just off this chart, to be honest. I'll just kind of find a fresh one and get the feel for it. So that one was CAD CHF. And the one thing I've done in this session is I've stayed with, so far, I've stayed with I haven't doubled up, and I haven't taken bigger trades than I really should have. You know. Now this one could win. This is a slow climber. It's got some really big bottom wicks, so at any time I guess it could flip down there. But if not, then I've got some good. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to take this 1 off the bottom here. 12 off the bottom. Like I'm going to say that it's going to hold this. Let's see. So 3 was that's the other thing I've been concerned about is 3 was a win, 6 was a loss. Then I took a 12 outside of the standard procedure. And then I got to be careful not to stack that one up, because that looks like it could lose. Looks like it's a breakthrough. It looks like it's a breakthrough. So let's watch it go down. Let's watch it go down. It's touching on there. Now the problem is 1470. I'm not close to my stop loss yet, but if I lose this one, then I will be getting closer to my stop loss. And this one looks like it's stuck down there. It's really stuck. Yeah, that's another loss. So let's do another 12. Let's do another 12 on the down. Actually, we'll just. And then I'm going to have to be done because 1405. No, I'm not at my stop loss yet, but it doesn't matter, because if I lose this, then I'm back into like yesterday where I was like losing a ton. I was just reading them wrong, and then I was stacking trades like I am now. And unless I win this one, then I can go in on it maybe I can take this one down with a 24. Maybe this does win, and I can take a 1 minute. Maybe it's going to break this line down here. Let's see if it's kind of breaking through. It's sort of down there. Yeah, if it breaks that in the 1 minute. If it breaks it, yeah, it broke it. Yeah, let's see if it does that. Let's see if it holds it. broke it and it came back up. And then this is, yeah, these could both lose. I'll double that one, and then I'm going to have to put this line here. And that'll be the day, folks. Okay, so it took me a little bit of time. I spun my wheels quite a bit, and then lost my patience and took some trades that were way outside of my, plan. And they could lose. They could easily lose. Like all those trades could lose. I think the $12. Oh, the $12 one. Okay, so if that wins, if this wins here, then that's good. It's doubtful because of the way that it is. Let's see. I took a 12 that lost, a 12 that lost, 24. Okay, 24. 12 lost, 12 lost, 24 that lost, and then 12 that won, and then a 24 probably will win. I'll be nowhere near anywhere that, I won't even be near where I started. It won't matter. Let's see where I'll be. Let's see, open. 1380 and 46. This is what I did the other day, and it just is not the way to trade, so don't even follow that. 1426. Okay, so I'll still be within my stop loss. But this is scary because this could jump right up there. It's already jumping up there a little bit. I'm not going to push my luck here. I'm just going to be done, and maybe just 1426 won't be too much down from where I started today, and it'll just be like, whatever. It'll be a loss. If I stop now, I can regroup and try to come up with a better plan. I think this is kind of a big consolidation. It's going down, but if I was going to take anything, I'd wait for it to get up there, and I'd take like a 5-minute put. But I can't do that. I'm not trying to trade like that. I'm trying to trade with 30 seconds. This could go to the white line from here. Let's just say that it is going to the white line. Let's try one more line of trades on 3. Say that it's going to the white line. How fast is it going there? And if I win, I can take the next trade. If I lose, then I don't. It's kind of farting around, but I think it's like, ooh, I want to go up. No, I want to go down. Oh no, 4-3. No, come on. 2. No. Yeah, that was a loss. See, that's what's been happening to me. I'm going to push this back up like it's going to bounce off there. Let's see if it'll bounce off. And then I'm just going to have to, I don't know, maybe just not trade anymore. I'll just quit. Yeah, because they're kind of pushing down. But in my opinion, like if I think it's going up, then in this situation, yeah, it's kind of pushing down a little bit, but is it gonna go back up? Is it gonna go back up? Okay. If I start trading down on this now, let's look at this. Still in consolidation. I'm not gonna mess with this consolidation. Yeah, do I think that's going to head back up to where it... It's still like a channel right there. Do I think this is the moment that it's going to break up and go to the channel, go above? Maybe. If it does, I already did the analysis on this chart. I already know kind of where the lines are. But is it going to go? You know, kind of keeps pushing up and then dropping back down. Those are 1 minute candles. Let's get off the 1 minute candles. It's going to go down. Oh man, come on, baby, come on. Oh no. Let's see. It's got some resistance up there, but again, maybe this is the line that this chart is doing this again. I think this is the line of, and it's kind of going up to that line. It's kind of been going up there. You know, it's kind of been going up there. Yeah. 3. Let's say it's going to go up there. It's like, oh, I want to go up. No, I want to go down. Oh, I want to go up. No, I want to go down. Oh, I want to go up. No, I want to go down. But it's at that. It kind of climbed up again. It's kind of jumpy. I think I'm going to take those two wins and just bank them. We'll bank this win and we'll just call that a day on that chart. 14.19. I'm just good. I got to be done. I've been trading a long time. I can't, with all these bouncy charts, I can't really figure out what the next move is. I think that's been my problem lately. Bouncy charts. Okay, it's kind of bouncing up. Let's go up. Let's go up. Kind of hit that line. It made itself a stronger line right here. It's kind of bounced off that line. Boom, boom, boom. But that doesn't mean it wants to be done with it. It kind of does, maybe. Maybe it kind of does. Maybe I need to talk to Todd. Maybe that's what it means. Maybe it means it's done with it. It's not going up. And it's so freaking bouncy. Yeah, it's so bouncy that it's like... Alright, I'm going to take a 6 here, even though I lost those. And I'm going to say... I'm on a white line, and I'm kind of in there. I'm going to go away from this one and just let it play itself out. This has been kind of the same way. It's kind of been bouncing. Yeah, this could be going. Yeah, are you going? Are you going to break down? Are you going to break down? Are you going to break down? Are you going to give me something? Give me something. Give me something, baby. Give me something. Okay, I'm going to martingale this down. 2 minutes. And then I'm getting, yeah, I'm pretty much almost at my stop loss. So about $10 away from my stop loss. A pretty good guess right there. It's the only problem is this line right here might go down and bounce off that line. But if it goes below that line, then maybe I'll do a 1 minute $10. Or maybe I'll do, yeah, maybe just a 10. And maybe a 24 because it's been bouncing. It hit below that line. There we go. So this 12 is going to win. That gives me my chance. Oh man, bounced down, bounced up. See if this makes a move like I want it to, then I'm good. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna be done. See at 1 minute, okay. Yesterday I kind of had this same feeling where I was just getting beat. I think I'm gonna have to be done for the weekend. I think I'm just gonna have a hangout for the weekend and not do much. I still got, only 15 seconds on that. Okay. Let's say I think my keyboard died. 8 seconds on this 24. It's there we go. Come on, baby. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. There. Oh, finally. Okay, it redeemed me back. Okay. Cuz yesterday 14-17. Okay. Oh, actually I'm not done yet. Hold on. 1441. Okay. 1441. That's it. 1441. So basically I've plus $1 up for today. I'm up $1. And I never hit my stop loss, so that's good. But I'm just going to call that a day, and I'm going to call Todd. So guys, thanks for watching this show. I'm going to give Todd a call. He's back in the game, and we might be doing a show tonight. Who knows? Pretty soon we will. And I'm going to start finishing my book. I want to finish my book, and, you know, the hardest part of this for me is staying positive after a long trading session. I'm just losing. And then it's like I want to start martingaling. And then I start martingaling. I've got to come up with a plan that's better than that because it doesn't work. Martingaling gets your account blown. Today I made $1. You know, I traded, for 58 minutes trying to be super safe. So I'm going to talk to Todd. I know he had a plan, and I'm going to talk to him and see what he says. I'll see you on the next episode. I was on a live stream, but I can talk now.